Hi everyone, I'm Steve, HR and Supplier Manager at Wagner Consulting. When it comes to hiring translators or language service providers, it's important to pay attention to several key factors. It's also important to make sure that the translator is a native speaker of the target language and has expertise in the subject matter of the text being translated. This ensures that the translated content is not only accurate, but also culturally appropriate for the intended audience, and that the linguists are familiar with the terminology, concepts, and nuances specific to that field. Proper insurance is also important when hiring a translator or LSP. This provides protection for both the client and the translator in case of any unexpected events. When speaking with a potential translator or LSP, be sure to ask about their use of computer-assisted translation tools, CAT tools, as well as whether they use machine translation post-editing, MTPE, or manual translation. This can have a big impact on the speed and quality of the final product. CAT tools, computer-assisted translation tools, help translators increase efficiency and maintain consistency in translations. Popular CAT tools include SDL Trados, Memic, Across, Star Transit, and many more. There are also online CAT tools available. It's also a good idea to ask about their daily output, as well as for references or examples of previous work. This will help you to determine whether the translator or LSP is a good fit for your specific project. A typical linguist can translate around 3,000 words per day in the main languages. So if you have a large project, you may need to hire multiple linguists to ensure the work is completed in a timely manner. Confidentiality is paramount in the translation industry, so be sure to ask for a signed NDA. Additionally, it's important to request a CV from the translator and check that it aligns with their expertise and qualifications. Remember, when it comes to hiring a translator or LSP, quality and accuracy should always be your top priority. By asking the right questions and being thorough in your research, you can find a partner who will provide the high-quality language services you need to succeed. A typical hiring process at our firm, Wagner Consulting, in a short version, is done by first receiving the resume and cover letter of the candidate. We then conduct a preliminary screening to determine if the candidate meets our minimum requirements, such as being a native speaker of the target language, having a degree in translation or a related field, and having at least 3 years of experience in the industry. Next, we invite the candidate for an interview, which is usually conducted via video conference. During the interview, we assess the candidate's language skills, subject matter expertise, and their proficiency in CAT tools. We also discuss their availability, preferred income, and their overall attitude towards work. If the interview goes well, we proceed with a short translation test to evaluate the candidate's translation skills. We usually give them a text that is relevant to their subject matter expertise and ask them to translate it within a set time frame. After the translation test, we check their references and any publications they may have in their field. Finally, we send them an agreement, a non-disclosure agreement, and other related documents to sign before we start working with them to ensure the confidentiality of our clients' materials. Once all these steps are completed, we make a final decision on whether or not to hire the candidate. We take our time to ensure we are hiring the best talent available in the industry. At Wagner Consulting, we believe that the key to providing excellent language solutions is by having a strong team of in-house linguists. We focus on in-house linguists because we train them according to our quality standards, and they have a better understanding of our clients' expectations, preferred terminology, and writing style. They work under the supervision of a lead linguist who ensures that our quality standards are met in every project. Our in-house linguists maintain glossaries and translation memories (TMs) for each client account, which helps to ensure consistent terminology use across all projects. They also create style guides to provide guidance to linguists and ensure consistency in style, tone, and formatting. Another advantage of in-house linguists is that they are booked continuously for the same client account, which enables them to develop a deep understanding of the client's industry, products, and services. This enables them to provide more accurate and effective translations, and also saves time and money for our clients. By focusing on in-house linguists, we can ensure that our clients receive top-notch services, consistent quality, and customized solutions for their language needs. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to us at Wagner Consulting. We're here to help you with your language needs.